እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ትምህርት የአስረኛ ክፍል የጂኦግራፊ ትምህርት የዩኒቱ ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ለዛሬ የምንሰራ የዩኒቱ ፓርት 1 ጥያቄዎችን ነው። ዩኒቱ ክላይሜት ኦፍ አፍሪካ ይላል። እዚህ ዩኒት ላይ በአጠቃላይ 125 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዟችሁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ጂኦግራፊ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል እየሰራ እንገኛለን። እነዚህን ሁሉንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ማለት ነው። ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ከሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ። ይህንን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈልጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። Number 1, which of the following is a primary driver of Earth's climate? Oceans, wind patterns, solar radiation, human activities. See, solar radiation የመሬትን ክላይሜት የሚወስንልን primary driver ነው ማለት ነው። solar radiation from the sun አይደለ ከፀሐይ የሚመጣ ነው solar radiation የሚባለው is a primary source of energy that drives Earth's climate ማለት ነው። Number 2, which climate classification is based on temperature and precipitation? A. Köppen classification, Greek classification, tropical classification, continental classification. A. Köppen classification is based on ምንድነው temperature እና precipitation ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ Köppen classification divides climate based on temperature and precipitation patterns. Sorry, which of the following regions falls within the tropical climate zone? Arctic Circle, Sahara Desert, Amazon Rainforest, Siberian Tundra. See, Amazon Rainforest. Okay, Amazon Rainforest lays in the tropical zone where temperature is high, no? Rainfall is frequent in the tropical climate zone. 4, what type of climate does the subtropical zone experience during summer? Cool and moist, warm with little moisture, very cold and snow, D, hot and dry. D, hot and dry. Okay, hot and dry. Subtropical zone experiences high temperature ነው። ይሄ subtropical zone የሚባለው high temperature, little moisture እርጥበታማነቱ ዝቅተኛ ነው in summer ማለት ነው። which is many deserts are found in this zone. ስለዚህ እዚህ ዞን ላይ ምን አለ? subtropical zone ላይ ብዙ ምንድነው deserts የሚገኝበት አካባቢ ነው ማለት ነው። 5, what factor causes the temperature zone to have regular and more evenly distributed precipitation? High solar radiation, cloud cover and lower solar radiation, low elevation, proximity to oceans. D, proximity to oceans. Okay, temperature zone often receive regular and evenly distributed precipitation because they are commonly influenced by maritime air masses from the nearby oceans. ስለዚህ nearby oceans ምን ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው? አፌክት ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ these oceans moderate temperatures and supply moisture leading to consistent rainfall throughout the year. ስለዚህ from the ocean በሚመጣ እንትን አማካኝነት consistent rainfall ያገኛል ማለት ነው ይሄኛው ዞን። ኦኬ 6, in which climate zone does vegetation grow only during a few months per year? Tropical zone, subtropical zone, temperate zone, cold zone. D, cold zone. Okay, the cold zone found near the poles as short growing season and vegetation is sparse due to extreme cold. 7, what is the main factor that differentiates the polar zone from other climate zones. High average temperature, long summers, low angle of solar radiation, consistent rainfall. See, low angle of solar radiation. Okay, so the polar zone receives minimal solar radiation due to the low angle of the sun, resulting in the cold temperature year round. Okay. 8. According to the Köppen climate classification, which is the following categorized as a dry climate: tropical rainforest, desert, temperate zone, forest, tundra. B. Desert. Okay, so dry climates such as deserts are classified under the Köppen classification ማለት ነው as beach climate ማለት ነው። Okay, the B climates characterized by low precipitation. 9. Which climatic zone is characterized by very warm temperatures and dense cloud cover throughout the year? Tropical zone, temperate zone, subtropical zone, polar zone. A. Tropical zone. Okay, so the tropical zone experiences high temperature and is often cloud cover due to frequent evaporation and moisture in the air. 10. What happens to temperatures as altitude increases in mountain regions? Temperatures increase, temperatures remain constant, temperatures decrease, temperatures fluctuate randomly. C. Temperature decreases. Okay, so altitude increase ወይም ከፍታ እየጨመረ በሄደ ቁጥር ቴምፕሬቸር ዲክሪዝ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሊዲንግ ቱ ኩለር ኮንዲሽንስ አት ሃየር ኤሊቬሽን። ሃየር ኤሊቬሽን ወይም ተራሮች ላይ ማለት ነው ኩለር ኮንዲሽን ወይም ቀዝቃዛ አካባቢ ነው ማለት ነው። 11. which zone receives the most intense solar radiation in summer? Tropical, subtropical, temperate, cold zone. B. Tropical zone, subtropical. Okay, so the subtropical zone receives the highest solar radiation in summer with nearly vertical sunlight during the period. 12. What climate feature is primarily used to categorize the Köppen classification system's A group? Precipitation, temperature, altitude, natural vegetation. B. Temperature. Okay, temperature. The A group is Köppen system, refer to humid tropical climate that categorized by the high temperature. 13. Which of the following is not characteristic of temperate zone? Moderate temperature, regular distribution of precipitation, frequent extreme temperature changes, longer growing seasons. C. Frequent extreme temperature changes. Okay, so the temperate zone generally experiences mild temperature variations and more regularly precipitation, not extreme change ማለት ነው። Okay, extreme change አይደለም ማለት ነው። 14. What factor most influence the formation of deserts in the subtropical zone? High rainfall, low solar radiation, high altitude, high evaporation rates. D. High evaporation rates. Okay, the subtropical zones high evaporation rates and low precipitation contribute to desert formations. 15. Which climate zone is most likely to experience polar days during the summer? Temperate zone, subtropical zone, cold zone, tropical zone. See, cold zone, okay? The cold zone. In the cold zone, especially in the polar regions, the phenomenon of polar days occurs during the summer when sun does not set for a period of time. 16. What defines the subtropical zone's winter climate? A. Very cold with heavy snowfall. B. Mild with moderate precipitation. C. Hot with dry winds. D. Cool with significant moisture. B. Mild with moderate precipitation. Okay, so in winter the subtropical zone experiences milder temperature with less radiation and more moisture. 17. Which region could most likely have a temperate climate? The Sahara Desert, the Great Plain of North America, the Arctic Circle, the Amazon rainforest. B. The Great Plains of North America. Okay, so the Great Plains located in the temperate zone, ይሄኛው temperate zone ውስጥ የሚገኝ ነው። Experience mild winter and regular precipitation throughout the year. 18. Which of the following is key characteristic of polar zone? Extended period of darkness in winter, high average temperature year round. C. Consistent rainfall throughout the year. D. Tropical vegetation. Extended periods of darkness in winter. Okay, so the polar zone experience long periods of darkness during winter due to the low angle of the sun. 19. Which climate classification is primarily concerned with precipitation levels? A. Humid tropical. B. Dry. C. Humid mild latitude. D. Polar. B. Dry. B ማለት ነው dry B. The dry climate classification primarily considers precipitation levels with low rainfall being as a defining characteristics. ስለዚህ ይሄኛው ፔሪድ ማለት ነው ወይም ደግሞ ይሄኛው ሌቭል low rainfall እንደሆነ ወይም ዝቅተኛ የዝናብ መጠን ያለው ማለት ነው dry. Penny, in which climatic zone do temperature vary the most throughout the year? Tropical zone, cold zone, subtropical zone, temperate zone. D. Temperate zone. Okay, the temperate zone experience significant variations in temperature between seasons with mild winters and summers. 21. Which zone is characterized by high temperatures year round with little seasonal variation? A. Subtropical zone, tropical zone, temperate zone, cold zone. B. Tropical zone. Okay, the tropical zone maintains high temperatures throughout the year with little variation in seasonal temperature. Seasonal temperature a little variation. Okay. 22. What role do mountains play in climate zone? A. They create barriers that disrupt wind patterns. B. They increase temperature in nearby regions. C. They cause heavy rainfall in all climates. D. They have no effect on climate. A. They create barriers that disrupt wind patterns ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ mountains ወይም ተራሮች ባሪየር ወይም ምንድነው የዊንድ ፓተርንን ዲስትራፕት ያደርጋሉ ያውካሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ mountains can block air masses causing different climates on either side and affecting precipitation ማለት ነው። 23. What is the primary criterion for classifying climates in the Köppen system H group? A. Precipitation levels, temperature variation, altitude, natural vegetation. C. Altitude ነው ይሄ the H group የሚባለው ማለት ነው. The H group in Köppen system is defined by the altitude. Climates in highland regions vary due to elevations. Okay. 24. Which zone is the Earth's equator located in? Temperate zone, cold zone, subtropical zone, tropical zone. D. Tropical zone. Okay, the equator is located within the tropical zone, where sunlight is the most direct and constant throughout the year. 25. What is the main feature of the climate in the subtropical zone during the winter? Extremely high rainfall. B. Extreme cold temperature. C. Low temperature with little moisture. D. High temperature with dry conditions. C. Low temperature with little moisture. Okay. So the subtropical zone experiences cooler temperatures and significantly less moisture during the winter months. 26. What is the characteristic of feature of the equatorial climate in Africa? A. Low temperatures throughout the year. B. High humidity and constant high temperatures. C. Seasonal rainfall with dry periods. D. Very low temperatures at night. B. High humidity and constant high temperature. Okay, ይሄኛው ኢኳቶሪያል ክላይሜት ኢን አፍሪካ የሚባለው ሂዩሚዲቲውም ሃይ ነው እንደገና ቴምፕሬቸሩም ሃይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ዘ ኢኳቶሪያል ክላይሜት ኢን አፍሪካ characterized by high humidity and temperature. Average of the temperature around 26 degree centigrade throughout the year ማለት ነው። አመቱን ሙሉ ወደ 26 ዲግሪ ሴንቲግሬድ አካባቢ ያለው ሙቀት ነው እዚህ ጋር የኢኳቶሪያል ክላይሜት የሚባለው የሚታወቀው ማለት ነው። 27. Which region in Africa experiences the equatorial climate? Central Africa, South Africa, North Africa, Western Africa. A. Central Africa ነው ይሄ the equatorial climate ተብሎ የሚታወቀው ሴንትራል አፍሪካ ነው። So the equatorial climate is mainly found in parts of Central Africa such as እነማን አካባቢ ነው ይሄ equatorial climate ያለው ሪፐብሊክ ዲሞክራቲክ ኦፍ ኮንጎ፣ ጋቦን፣ ካሜሮን አካባቢ ያለ ቴምፕሬቸር ነው። 28. What causes the low diurnal temperature range in the equatorial climate region? High elevation, the position of the region along the equator. C. The influence of cold ocean currents. D. The seasonal movement of air masses. B. The position of the region along the equator. Okay, so equatorial climate has low diurnal temperature range due to the constant positions of the sun overhead throughout the year ማለት overhead የፀሐይ ማለት ነው አናት ላይ ወይም ቀጥታ overhead ስለምትሆን throughout the year ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው in the equatorial climate region low diurnal temperature range ወይም ልዩነቱ ዝቅተኛ ነው ማለት የቴምፕሬቸሩ ልዩነት ዝቅተኛ ነው ምክንያቱም የፀሐይ አናት ላይ ስለምትሆን ረጅም ጊዜ ያመቱን ረጅም ጊዜ ማለት ነው። 29. Which climate zone is characterized by the distinct wet and dry seasons? የዌት እና ድራይ ሲዝን ያለበት ክላይሜት ዞን A. Equatorial climate, Mediterranean climate, desert climate, tropical wet and dry climate. D. Tropical wet and dry climate. Okay, the tropical wet and dry climate or savanna is marked by the distinct wet and dry seasons with rainfall during the high sun period and dry conditions during the low sun period. 30. What is the common feature of the semi-arid climate region in Africa? Frequent thunderstorms. B. Long periods of rain. C. Rainfall influenced by the ITCZ. D. Cool, mild temperature. C. Rainfall influenced by the ITCZ. Okay, so the semi-arid regions receive more rainfall than desert regions. ስለዚህ semi-arid ከዴዘርት ሪጅን የተሻለ ምን ሬንፎል ያገኛሉ? mainly to the seasonal movement of the intertropical convergence zone. የኢንተርትሮፒካል ኮንቨርጀንስ ዞን የሚባለው በዚህኛው ሙቭመንት ሲዝናል ሙቭመንት አማካኝነት ምንድነው ሰሚ አራይድ ሪጅን ሞር ሬንፎል ያገኛል ከዴዘርት ይልቅ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፓርት 1 ጥያቄዎችን በዚህ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 2 እስከ 4 ያሉትን እዚሁ ዩኒት ላይ ያሉትን ጥያቄዎች እንቀጥላለን። ሌሎችንም ዩኒቶችና የትምህርት አይነቶች እንደዚሁ ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ጥያቄዎችን ሾርት ኖቶችን እና የተለያዩ ቱቶሪያሎችን ይዘን እየቀረብን እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል፣ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ማለት ነው። መጽሐፉ ጥያቄዎችን ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህ መጽሐፍ ከ9 እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ያዘጋጀናል መጽሐፎች ናቸው። እነዚህን መጽሐፎች በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።